Hey, what's going on? What is going on, everybody? The Street Trading here with a video lesson for everybody looking at a 15-minute chart of BEKE Holdings Incorporated Real Estate Sector. Let's get right into it. So obviously, these guys, they IPO'd middle, almost kind of the beginning of August of 2020. And they had a little bit of a run up into pretty much the middle of November. Then they've been showing some weakness, right? And they're consecutively printing lower highs and lower lows, all pops getting sold, and you're seeing the backside. But the backside off of an IPO that just, was months prior is not a good look, obviously. And listen, IPO in 2020 may not have been the best idea, but the road shows are underway, so they had to do what they had to do. Anyway, we didn't have this on our weekly watch list, but it came across our scans pre-market, and it was just literally a textbook, right? So you're seeing, obviously, lower highs and lower lows printing. You're seeing this last bit push up on the 25th. It printed its lows, and we see it time and time again. It's very, very textbook, technical pattern, right? The boys push, faded out, push prices higher, and then faded out again, right? We see it time and time again. So going into the session, we saw this hit our scans, and we, obviously took a look at the fundamentals of what's been going on with the company, and obviously this technical pattern that we see time and time again. So we put it on watch, right? So going into the session, it was one of our just go-to setups that we take. It's literally an amazing risk to reward that it's our top two. It's our top two. So, it's set up, sold off right out of the gate, tested, came close to test the previous session lows, but sold off and then did exactly what we had expected it and anticipated for it to do. And the risk reward was fantastic. We got involved and ended up taking this thing down. It wasn't a huge trade, but it was just not going to say a stress-free trade, but it was pretty close to it, right? It was just a textbook, solid risk reward to the downside. So let's get into how we traded this, why we traded this, where we got involved, and pretty much the details behind the management of it. All right, guys, let's get down to details here.